So what I'm doing is in the surface color, I'm finding the area. So once I kind of like find the area, I've got all the center points. So what I'm gonna do is move these center points. Move. இதை மூவ் பண்றேன் பட் சே யூனோ லைக் மூவ் பண்றத சும்மா ரேண்டமா ஒரே டைரக்ஷன்ல பண்ணாம கர்வேச்சர் சர்ஃபேஸ் கர்வேச்சருக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி பண்றேன். ஸோ சர்ஃபேஸ் கர்வேச்சருக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி அகெயின் ஐசோட்ரு மாதிரி இட்ஸ் அ வெரி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ப்ரொசீஜர் வேர் ஐ டூ அ சர்ஃபேஸ் க்ளோசஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் அண்ட் evaluate surface. So நம்மளோட மெயின் சர்ஃபேஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வந்து சென்டர் பாயிண்ட்ஸ், அதுக்கப்புறமா யூவி பாயிண்ட் and again surface, and I'll just quickly hide it. Don't worry about the whole aesthetics. So இதுல வந்து evaluate surface வச்சு நார்மல் டைரக்ஷன் கிடைச்சிருச்சு. நார்மல் டைரக்ஷனுக்கு இப்போ ஒரு வேல்யூ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். ஸோ ஆம்ப்ளிடியூட் நார்மலை கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன் வெக்டாருக்கு. ஆம்ப்ளிடியூட் I'm gonna set it as 0.1 to 0.01 to 0.5. 0.01 to 0.5. So 0.5 na half meter varum. So idu thaniya vechupom. 0.5 na half meter, 0.01 na. So accordingly scale ke eta mari we are just setting it off. So if I move, it moves down. So points keela na varudhu. So now instead mala na varnona we need to give a negative. Okay, so value connect pandra, and I'm gonna put this resultant on top. So there you go. So mala points on the now I can hide all of this. So we've got all these points, and you know, like a normal extrude to point kudutittu, I can, before doing it, will also check the data tree once. This is a very broad data tree. This is a single one, so I'm gonna graft it. If I kind of like put this as the base and connect our points. Oh, I can't connect that directly. I have to connect this and this. So we've got this happening. Okay. So idu varaikum we've done in the morning. Ipo what we are looking at is trying to use a attractor curve to modify this sequence. So I'm having a point. I'll set one point. I'll set this. Okay. So ipo let me keep it a little bit higher somewhere here. Yeah. Ipo what I need to do is நம்மளோட area centroidல, this is where all our middle points are. We'll skip that. In the final points, I'll come here. So this is where our points are. So idukkum nadula closest point கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So point வந்து, I'm sorry, இது cloud வந்து நம்மளோட attractor point. So we've got a lot of distances. 2 meters, 3 meters, and the mari we've got a lot of distances, but it's fine. You know, like we are gonna be using this. We are gonna be modifying this value. So this is our point, this is the line, you know, like now what I'm gonna do is in the points I'm gonna move பண்றேன் அப்படிங்கும்போது I'm gonna move it much closer to this point but அந்த point closer up பண்ணனும் அப்படினா we need a vector. So say if there is this point and there is this point, if I need to create a I need to create a vector direction between these 2 points. So I'm going to do a vector 2 point. So அங்க கீழ இருக்க points would be the first point, மேல இருக்க நம்மளோட attractor point is the second point. So we've got a vector. So vector வந்து if you connect it to motion, you'll see that vector oda values are higher because the distance is higher. So you know, like it's gonna get all clustered together near the point. அதனால என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா we are gonna do a multiplication or amplitude, and we are gonna reduce that value, say by 0.012, 0.5 again. As I keep changing these points, you'll find that, you know, like all these points move closer to the opening point. So there you go. Yes, so idhila I'm just gonna set some value of this. If I need to plug in these values to make it proportional abdina, I need to change all these values back into it is all 1 meter, 1.2 meter, 1.4 meter. So I need to reduce it. So if I reduce it, I've reduced it by 0.5 meters. That's still a lot higher. 0.3, yeah, 0.3, 0.2 sounds good. Instead of connecting this, I'm gonna connect this value. So if you see, you know, like all of these points kind of like move with respect to the distance between those two. So these are the new set of points. Let's check a data tree to see how the data is. Yeah, it's a split data tree. Graph remove panta. If I remove the graph, there is going to be a cross product which is happening. I didn't anticipate that. Yeah, there is a huge cross product happening. But anyways, you know, like so we'll graph here. We got the tree. So we are gonna connect this instead. So now if you see, you've got all those triangles. If I kind of like hide. So if I kind of like, you know, like hide everything apart from the initial content, I can hide everything, and there you go. According to your surface and according to your point, you can go and edit the extrusions. So I can kind of like turn on the surface. I can say turn on the points, and you know, like say I need this a lot lower, I can make it a lot lower. That's going to in turn affect the geometry. Or I can make this a lot longer. A lot now, a little bit. And yeah, there you go. You can move this point to kind of like play around with your geometry. And say if you're not really say in the mari, if you have a lot of errors, what you can do is you can come back here and you can reduce your threshold. So either one day, if you kind of like reduce over here closest point like, and the threshold, if you kind of like reduce, you can control the amount of extrusion. So this, so Yeah, that's with respect to the attractor point. So what I'm gonna do is, like I'm gonna just save this. Session 3. Tractor pyramid surface. Okay, I'll send you a screenshot of the script. So again, I'll repeat, we have a surface. We've kind of like divided the surface into multiple smaller surface. In the multiple smaller surface, when the edges வந்து deconstruct பண்ணி join பண்ணிட்டா, we get our initial curves to extrude. So extrude to a point க்கு வேணுங்கிற ரெண்டு விஷயம், ஒன்னு வந்து ஒரு base curve, ஒன்னு வந்து ஒரு point. We have a base curve over here. அடுத்து அந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு தான் we are playing around. So area centroid எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்துட்டு அந்த இடத்துக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி வந்து we are kind of like evaluating and finding the normal. இது மொத்தமா எதுக்கு பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, we are doing the entire thing to get this normal, so we can move these points according to these normals. That's all. This is the and then the surface oda curvature க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி we are kind of like moving those points. So in the points எல்லாம் move பண்ணோம்னா, we are using the whole curve closest to point principle here. In the whole process we are using attractor point principle to kind of like move those points from their own location to much closer to the attractor point. So instead of இதுதான் surface, இதுதான் attractor point, இதுதான் இந்த points அப்படின்னா, this process kind of like makes these points go a little bit, it kind of like displaces these points to make it go as close to this point. And after this, we this is the move geometry, this is this, and once this is done, we are just gonna quickly loft these to the base and our entire content is done. So there you go. This is with respect to on the attractor point. There are much more things to do with this one, but like அடுத்த classல வந்து I want you people to practice a little bit before we go into the advanced versions of this. Okay, now say oh shit, and one more thing is so where is the picture? So Aparna kind of like saw this picture online and she kind of like got back to me on it. And if you see, this is a very, like doable thing. Number, we've solved the logic of it. Only problem is in this particular image, this is a spiral. So for solving a spiral, it's gonna be a little bit of a task, so it requires a lot of like generative curve based understanding. So we'll avoid this spiral proportions, but we'll do it for a radial surface. So if I open the previous script, so I can open the previous script, I guess this should do. And I'll just make a surface. I can make a circular surface. What I need to do is I need to make a circle, then make a smaller version, loft them both together, then set one surface. So if you see here, if we kind of like make this a little bit more smaller, there you go. It's almost the same principle. We just have to increase the heights, z heights. So z height inga irukku. If I make it 20 or 30 centimeters, and if I bake it, There you go. Just that, like the whole, so if I compare it with the other image, just that, like in this one has a spiral configuration, this one is radial, but like we'll kind of like do radial, I mean spiral configurations a little bit later. It needs certain mathematical understandings. I don't want to reinforce a lot of concepts on the same day, so I'll kind of like like we'll do it eventually. So this was one thing that like that I wanted to get you people through now. So so I also wanted to do a quick revision on the spiral fabrication script, because like a few of you had a little bit of problems. So what I'll do is I'll just plug the surface in, set one surface as usual, isotrim panram, but I'm going to use a divide domain square, and instead of giving both of it into values, one I'm going to rename it to, so u count I'm going to keep it, say 10. Let me hide the initial surface over here also. V count I'll keep it 1. So there you go. So the idea in Abdina, say if I take that image, the idea is to make these straight lines and then find these alternative connection points where your curve can actually pass through. Don't forget this part over here. It kind of like has to pass through each and every point, like so they've worked on a little bit of a harder process where they kind of like have a central connection. Don't worry about the central connection, like this will happen. There is a S shape here. So this is a very hard process to fabricate. So we will be working at end to end. So by end to end, what I mean is, say if there are these lines, we are going to get alternative connecting points where a curve is going to pass through. So these become the pinching points where like the curves kind of like converge, and where like we can fix them together. So if I come back here, so adukku first na enna pannanum abdina, I need those curves. So we've got these strips. So first alternative strips are pirichikram, because one is in one direction, the other is in the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'll kind of like make a dispatch. Dispatch splits a list into two lists. The pattern is true and false. So true, false abdine. Everything which is true is in a list. Everything which is false is in a list. So I'll hide this. So we've got two lists. So two lists, if you want to kind of like say, it gets separated into two lists. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a deconstruct brep. Deconstruct brep panna நம்மளுக்கு 4 edge வரும், but we need just 2 edges. So I'll do a list item to separate it from the list. This, and then I can go here and I can just make 1, 2, 3. Done. Now I can take the curves that I want. So this is this edge curve. No, I don't want it. That is one corner. Very good. This is the other corner. We've either hide panta. If I hide it, we've got those two corners alone. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த டூ கார்னர்ஸ் வந்து டைரக்ஷன் செக் பண்ணா உனக்கு வந்து டைரக்ஷன் ஃபிளிப் ஆயிருக்கும். ஸோ ஐ எம் கோனா டூ அ ஃபிளிப் கர்வ் டு சேஞ்ச் த டைரக்ஷன். So now everything should be in the same direction. Curve. Let's see if I can show you the direction over here. No, I don't think you have it. So first curve and second curve. First curve and second curve. Ipo I'm gonna do a divide curve. So this Control C, Control V, this. So count on the we'll keep it at 20 for now. So this is one, this is one. So we can understand the amount of count over here. We need to, so if I select this, all the points are getting selected. I need to kind of like skip one point at a time. So I'm gonna use the process of dispatch again. So in the points of Echa, I have two lists. First list, second list. Ide vande, I'm gonna copy paste it here. So if you see, if I just put points here and if I show you, so those are the first list A, list B, idhila list A, idhila list B. So we've got all this. So now we need to just interpolate. Before interpolate, we'll kind of like weave these datas together. Weave. So I'm going to use alternatives. So points which, if I take these points, அடுத்ததுல I need to take the lower end. So this is one set. This is the alternative next. So I'm going to plug this in. So what weave does is, இந்த லிஸ்ட்டுக்கு கீழே இந்த லிஸ்ட்டை ஜாயின் பண்ணாம அந்தந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டோட ஓரியன்டேஷன் இண்டெக்ஸ்க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி ஒரு பெரிய லிஸ்ட்ல சின்ன சின்ன சப் லிஸ்ட் எல்லாத்தையும் it keeps inserting inside. So it becomes one proper list. Now I can do a interpolate. Go. There you go. So ஒன்னு கிடைச்சிருச்சு. இப்போ உங்களோட டவுட் என்னன்னா இதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுமா சார் இன்னொரு சைட் பண்ணுமானா எஸ். டு the thing is, if we need to fabricate it, we need to make sure that we do the other curve also. So we need these pinch points, and this will be strip 1, strip 2, strip 3 to kind of like, you know, like put them all together. So this entire script, namba pannadu, we did it for the left side. We need to do it for the second thing, a dispatch list in the surfaces. If I turn it on, we worked on the first set of surfaces. Now we need to work on the second set of surfaces. So I'll do a Control C, Control V. I'll put it for the second list. Second list la ipdi varum. But still, you know, like the fabrication strategy is not solved unless, you know, like it works in the opposite way. So in the edathila, the way you connect the, you know, like pattern over here, and then the points, say idhula vandu I'm using these points and these points, you know. So on the point ku etta mari I'll get this curve formed. So in the points alla select pannadnala adukku etta mari I get a secondary curve. So in the curves ellathiyum vechu we've kind of like got everything. We just have to hide all of this, extrude, get the surface wrapped up. So that's the strip fabrication. Try 2-3 times, you know, like eventually you'll kind of like figure it out. So yep, with, you know, like with this we'll kind of like close our the third session. We'll meet back at some session 4 னு தனியா வைக்கட்டுமா இல்ல இதுலயே இன்னும் ஒரு 20 minutesல வந்து session 4 finish பண்ணிரட்டுமா? It's your choice.
Session 4 finish பண்ணிடலாம் sir.
All of you?
Sir.
சொல் சூர்யா.
டிலே பண்ணிடலாம் சார்.
என்னடா?
டிலே பண்ணிடலாம் சார் session 4.
புரியல.
session 4 டிலே பண்ணிடலாம் சார்.
இதுலயே பண்ணிரலாமா? Okay, fine. All right. ஏன்னா session 4 again, you know, like it's not a big deal. So just that session 4 la வந்து we are going to look at Voronoi. Voronoi la Warnai already பார்த்திருப்பீங்க, and you know, like it shouldn't be a problem, just that in the pyramid extrusion பண்றதுனால it would be better if we kind of like do the same pyramid extrusion but with respect to uh, certain aspects. Say இப்போ வந்து I'll go back to our attractor curve work. Lunchbox I would have already உங்களுக்கு told you to install. Say I'll just make a fluid surface. First hexagon பார்க்கலாம், அப்புறமா வந்து we'll do it for Warnock. So I've got a surface. So I'm gonna set this surface, set one surface. Ipo, I'm using Lunchbox to make hexagonal panels out of this. So in the isotrim, in the இது எல்லாத்தையுமே வந்து we can avoid it. So say connect the U and the V. So I've got two of these number sliders. I can just make a hexagonal panel. So I think this should do for now. Ipo, we've already got the center point. So area இதுக்கு அப்புறமா தேவையில்லை. We are just revamping the whole script with respect to, instead of rectangular panels, hexagonal panels. All of that, nothing else. So I'm using Lunchbox to split those panels. Set one point, I'm setting this point. Now instead of using the whole join curve in the hexagonal sensor, I'm gonna extrude. Okay, firstly, cross product நடந்திருக்கலாம். So graph, okay, that is a, and this is a varied list. So I'll take the graph off. Yeah, graph editave it works over here. Aprama, I just have to worry about the cross product. So the point is too high. Instead of in the number slider, I'm just gonna reduce the values a little bit. So there you go. The same, just that, you know, like adhe mari over there, namba vandu, say, if, let me bake this first. Over there it was rectangular cells. Here it is hexagonal cells. Okay, and nammaloda the same input and output process, just that, you know, like இங்க வந்து லஞ்ச் பாக்ஸ்ல ஹெக்ஸகனல் செல் இருக்கிறதுனால நம்மளுக்கு எதை எக்ஸ்ட்ரூட் பண்ணுங்கிற கர்வும் வந்து இங்கே கொடுத்துட்றாங்க. அதே மாதிரி சென்டர்ஸ் நம்மளுக்கு ஏரியா சென்ட்ராய்டு அந்த ஐசோட்ரிம் அது எதுவுமே பண்ண தேவையில்ல. வி காட் ஆல் த சென்டர் பாயிண்ட்ஸ். இந்த சென்டரை தேவையான இடத்துல கனெக்ட் பண்ணி சர்ஃபேஸை கரெக்டான இடத்துல பிளக் பண்ணிட்டாவே you'll kind of like get it for hexagon. The very same process for Voronoi. So again, this is a surface. This is a point. So this is a surface. I'll put a surface. Set one surface. Voronoi already cell division process அப்படின்னு உங்களுக்கு explain பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல இன்னும் டீடைல்டா சொல்றேன். பட் இங்க எப்படி Voronoi பேட்டர்னை வச்சு இதை சேம் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறது மட்டும் will close it today. So Voronoi 2D. So நம்ம பவுண்டரிக்கு Voronoi cells பண்ணும் according to a set of points. So populate 2D, what populate 2D does is நம்ம கொடுக்கிற regionல நம்ம சொல்ற amount of points வந்து it is gonna set it there. So these are the points அப்படின்னா அந்த pointsக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி it kind of like disperses. Number count வந்து we need to set it. Say I'll set it at 20. When later on we can increase. So if I hide the surface, if you notice carefully, இங்க எப்படி வந்து you've got all the அந்த hexagonal cell இதை தான் எக்ஸ்ட்ரூட் பண்ணணும், சென்டர்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணணும். சிமிலர்லி நம்மளுக்கு சென்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் இந்த பாப்புலேட் பாயிண்ட்லயே இருக்கு, செல்ஸ் வந்து வார்னாய் செல்ஸ் இருக்கு, இதை தான் எக்ஸ்ட்ரூட் பண்ண போறோம். So again it becomes a very simple work where like இதுவும் data tree is branched. So if we are just going to connect this cell directly to base, so இதை select பண்ணாவே extrude ஆகும். And then now நம்மளோட points எல்லாத்தையும் we just need to connect it properly. So this is the points, this is the surface, this is the surface, these are the points. Yeah, then we are done, we are good to go. Just that in the pointer mattum we need to set it. Right click panni set one point. So the same whatever happened for like எல்லாத்தையுமே hide பண்ணிட்டா so what you get sir entity இதுல வந்து like if you need to see preview, custom preview போட்டுட்டு you can kind of like check how the component is going to look. You can even set your color by using a color picker. I'll do yeah color. Color picker which I'm just gonna put a color and say you can kind of like set a color and like see which. So there you go, that's the same process but with respect to Voronoi cells. So if you kind of like take if you kind of like take Youngloda in the structure, they built this shit for so long. They've been the same script, they've made it in so many variations. But if you see technically this is what happens over here. The same script what we are doing. இதுல ஒரு சின்ன variation அந்த openings எல்லாம் வரும். I'll teach you openings and all next time. It's a very simple process again. It doesn't really take a lot of time, but still just letting you know. So you can do that. So this is with respect to Voronoi. இதுல வந்து you can increase your amount of points. This might lag. So over here you can increase your amount of points. So increase பண்றதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி வந்து your thing will change. So if it's 6 points, it's a certain output. Whereas if it's 100, it's another completely different output. And then the location of this point will kind of like determine the properties. And they are all Voronoi cells. So that's all. Ure concept, how we kind of like apply it to a quad grid. Similarly, exactly the same process. I want you people to try it for triangles. எதுவும் இல்ல, இங்க மேல lunch boxல you've got triangular panels. So triangle panels எடுத்துட்டா you'll get your panels. So panelsக்கு வந்து deconstruct brep கொடுத்து join பண்ணா you'll get the boundaries. அதுக்கப்புறமா area centroid கொடுத்தா you'll get the points. So try it for triangle panels. We did it for quad panels, we did it for hexagonal panels, we did it for Voronoi. So yep, ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் தான், very simple logic, extrude point. So ஒரு curve ஒரு பாயிண்ட்க்கு extrude பண்றோம், அந்த curve values என்னென்ன, point values என்னென்ன, இது ரெண்டு சால்வ் பண்ணாவே we are good to go. Okay, so this is with respect to, applying the same process with respect to multiple, patterns. So you can use any of these panel patterns over here and get the same script running. You just have to plug in the proper input to the proper output. So I'll get you people this also. Just give me a moment while I cross check the attendance. Atalya, Aparna, Hemlata, Mukesh, Mansaf, Revant, Rubina, Samira present, Selva present. Okay, yeah, I'll just. Okay, all right, people. So I think with this, our thing is done. Now, I'll probably, yes, last time நான் உங்களுக்கு heading தெரியும் நினைச்சு விட்டுட்டேன். I'll kind of get you what all to be done, for next class. உங்களுக்கு அடுத்த class எப்போ அப்படிங்கறதையும் இப்பவே சொல்லிடுறேன். So, 18th, 20th. So the next class is on 20th, 19, 20, day after tomorrow. Now, day after tomorrow, you've got your next class. So it's okay, if you can submit it by 6 o'clock tomorrow, submit it by 6 o'clock tomorrow. If not, submit it before class on 20th. Okay, va? So I'll give you a list of what all to submit. Just put that also in, and I think we are good to go for today. Okay, thank you. If doubts in the, give me a call or text me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.